Hey my friends, today I will show you how to make an emotional progressive house drop with FL Studio stock plugins only. Believe it or not, but you don't need a ton of expensive plugins to make good music. At the end of the day, you just have to know how to use the tools you have. So let's get right into FL Studio. Alright, so the first thing I did was I grabbed the Arps sample from my Orbit pack. With this one I was able to get into a creative mood and I started writing these chords. For these chords I'm using the FL Keys piano preset layered with the FL Keys grand piano. On the pianos I added an EQ with a low and high cut. Another EQ to make them sit nice in the mix. Soundizer which adds some compression and width. Reverb. And gross beat for sidechain. Then I went ahead and added 2 Sytrus Synths to the chords. Here we also have a low and high cut to make room for the bass. The stereo enhancer for more width. Another EQ to take out some low mids. A low pass filter for automation, and sidechain. Let's have a listen to the bassline. For the sub bass I use this flex guitar bass. On here I just added 2 EQs to clean it up a little. Then we got sidechain, and the balance is for volume automation. For the mid bass I layered 3 bass presets from GMS. Here I added a bunch of EQs to make the mid bass sit nice in the mix. This always depends on what your source sounds like. With the effector I give them that talk box character. Then some blood overdrive to make them a bit more beefy. Another EQ because I thought this higher bass area was too loud. The stereo enhancer for more width. And sidechain. Then I wrote this melody and I layered 5 flex sleds and 1 harmless lead. On those we have a low and high cut to make space for the bass. The stereo enhancer for a bit more width. Another EQ that makes them sit better in the mix. A low pass filter for automation. Then the peak controller to sidechain the reverb. And sidechain. Alright, then I added this nice atmosphere vocal sound in the background of the drop. Nice. Now let's check out the drums. This is the kick. Then I added 2 downlifters. A clap. Another clap. Some drum fills. A crash. A ride. A cymbal loop. A tom. And a riser and an impact. Here are all drums together. Guys, before we check out the final result, This Wednesday on the 4th of September on 6 PM European time, I'm dropping a huge serum bundle coming with 1000 presets, and the crazy part is, it has a 85% discount, so it only costs 39 euros. With these presets you can make any EDM genre you want. Make sure to join the waiting list, so you can grab it with a huge discount. Link in the description. So make sure to get the pack now if you want to make progressive house like Martin Garrix, Dubvision or Mattis and Sadko. First link in the description. Let's check out the final result. Guys, thank you for watching. I love you.